Why?
Do it.
Yeah.
Oh. So sweet.
Oh, Mom, I'm glad you surprised me.
Y'all trying to make me cry, man.
Yeah, right.
Aw, thank you.
It's up to them.
Well, you saw me, I ate a cookie. I didn't eat brownie.
Yeah!
Was it Mom?
Yeah, she's smiling and like, she's like that.
Really? Who else do you think might have ate it?
Yeah. Hey,
You're not honest.
Such giggles.
I missed you.
Miss you too.
I love you. Thank you for the brownie.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry I didn't ask before I ate it.
No, it's okay. We were protecting it by them and Mom and stuff.
Oh.
And saving the first bite for you.
You about to get married?
You get it on? Okay.
Put it on, Mom.
Yeah, put it on. He did so good, didn't he?
He did really good. Really good.
Mom, look.
Mom brought that sweater. That's not.
Call us back, Becky Do.
Okay. All right, love you.
Well, I did take a couple of pictures.
I'm gonna have to call you back because I haven't fucking eaten all day. We've been cleaning all fucking day.
And you thought she was polite.
Yeah.
Miss. Oh, she's so polite.
Yeah.
Oh my
Serious.
god.
Look at this.
Miss,
Polite.
she's so polite.
Can you
Yeah,
give me
no,
something
no.
to eat? I'm kind of hungry.
Oh no.
It's okay. How did you get there? How did you get here? Hi, Becca. Hi, Becca. Where are you?
I know. Surprise.
How did you get here that fast?
I can't believe you're home.
The reaction she said, "Merry Christmas, girlfriend," and to all a good night. You didn't think he'd ever buy you flowers? Is that what this is all about?
Do we have pizzas in the pantry? Hi, Mama.
You can stop crying now. It's real.
So, we've been lying to you for like 2 months now.
It's been really difficult.
When did you get home?
Last night.
Oh my god, and you guys didn't tell me. Oh,
I'm the only one here that knew.
are you
6 months.
kidding me? She surprised all of you. Whoa, how long are you home for?
3 weeks.
Oh my god. Oh, this is the best surprise I think I've ever had.
Anyway, goddamn. A little bag, $20. Well, get the hell out of here.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Good to see you. Yes. I've been kicking every day. Oh, that's a good present. That's a good present. Look at
That's why you're like, well, why do I gotta come home? Why can't you just leave it on the porch? Can't leave her on the porch.
I love you.
Shut up! It was Dallas! I'm like, why is this big guy taking pictures? Oh my god! Are you serious? Oh my god!
Looked at me twice, dead in the face. I thought you were gonna be closer onto Mark's hip, so I'm like, okay, I came in too quick.
Well, and I was just like,
Go.
what? What do you see? What do you see? I guess that wish came true, huh, Sam?